Did you know the MyArdo app allows you to comfortably control the Ardo Alyssa Breastpump from your smartphone? You can use the MyArdo app on Apple or Android mobiles. To pair your breast pump with the app, first download the MyArdo app. You need to have an operating system of 13 Plus for Apple or 9 Plus for Android. Make sure you read the instructions for the breast pump before you start. Just tap the link. Tap OK. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, then turn on the Ardo Alyssa. On the app, swipe left and tap enter. Select your breast pump. You need to enter the serial number which is found on the back of the pump or on the box. It is a number with 21 in brackets. You can also scan the QR code with your phone camera. You are now able to control the Ardo Alyssa with ease via the app. When connected, the Bluetooth symbol on the Ardo Alyssa will light up. The app allows you to control all functions of the breast pump remotely, giving you more flexibility when you express. The app tells you whether you're in stimulation or expressing mode. You can easily adjust the vacuum and cycles from the app to the settings you find most comfortable and get the milk flowing for you. You can even activate the automatic power pumping feature via the app. This is a 1-hour program which mimics a baby cluster feeding at the breast to help increase supply. You can view which phase of the power pumping program you are in and see a live countdown of each phase on the app. You can also use the Memory Plus feature via the app. Swipe across to Memory Plus and easily save a whole expressing session when you find the settings that suit you best. Tap the Save button. You can also click to view a detailed history of the settings used. If you save an expressing session in Memory Plus, it will automatically replay the next time you turn your breast pump on. However, you can exit Memory Plus at any time via the app. By adjusting the vacuum or cycles, you can overwrite the old session with a new one by clicking Save again. You can also easily delete a session via the app. You can find more detailed videos on the power pumping and Memory Plus features on the Ardo Mums UK YouTube channel. Aside from controlling the Ardo Alyssa, you are able to access lots of helpful information on the app while you express, like how to increase what you express, breast milk storage, correct breast shell size, tap tips and take a look. You can also find out important information and instructions about the Ardo Alyssa when you tap more. You can also change the language, there are 6 available. Download the app today. Over 90% of customers who have purchased the Alyssa have. Click the link below if you want to learn more.